So it's just this whole mindset thing that suddenly it just unlocks within you mechanisms to achieve what you're trying to get to. And it's entirely up to you to speed it up or slow it down. Refreshing thing is a whole process of unlearning. Now, I've looked at various programs, I've watched loads of YouTube videos on various workout regimes. How many times should you be doing full body workouts per week? How should you do the weights progression? Is HIIT really good for you? Walking versus running. When you're in that mind of being overweight, it's so easy to be the research master, and you can give loads of lectures to everyone, and there you are overweight from the couch, telling people what the best workout regime is. It's refreshing to unlearn everything. And I remember I asked my coach, out of these different workouts that I'm doing from these YouTube videos, which one would you suggest? How often? And in a humorous way, he'd say, do what you want. It's like, no, what do you mean? Do what you want. Do whatever one you like. And to suddenly get responses like that, you learn later on why that's the case.
So my experience on the program is, as I said, I thought I could never do it. I was known, everyone that I speak to around, my close family members, and it's like normal. They're like, Waqas, you're that size, you were born big as well. It's normal, you're naturally like that. You're actually, mate, God gifted maybe sometimes. So you actually realize that people used to say, oh, but your metabolism is not that good, and you can't burn and you can't lose it the way you can, until obviously I've come here and I found that that's all mind games. It's all mind games. It's not about, even if you were born and your whole life you've been massive or you've been skinny, it doesn't matter. If your mindset is done and you want to change it, you can change it. It's just about what you're thinking and how you want to do it. So anyone that comes with that news that, look, I've been like this all my life, I can't do it. And I had some people telling me that, look, you're going to lose so much weight, your bones can't handle it because you've always been so big. The demotivation. Oh, I'm telling you. So, this, but it's possible. I've done it, and I'm telling you, I was close to 170 kg, and I'm just coming to 115 this week, and I'm not stopping. I'm going down under 100. I'm definitely going down because I know